morning, back for another one. I got Jeff with me. Say hi to the people,
Hi.
Jeff. Jeff's taking us on a field trip today. We're gonna go pick up some parts for his, what year's your truck?
56.
For his 56 GMC?
Yeah.
So he's got a 56 GMC, and then he's got a bunch of Chevy trucks. So we're gonna go pick up some parts for his GMC first. Then we're gonna head off to Scott's Super Trucks in Penhold. And we'll take a look at what Scott's got. I think he's got a yard there too, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does.
Yeah. So we'll go take a look at some stuff and see if we can spend some money.
Right on.
All right, let's go. Okay, so Jeff, what did you get there for your 56?
I found a grill and a front bumper and a rad support, some chrome pieces. It was a pretty good find.
Did pretty good, and then we went off to Scott's Super Trucks, and I was going to record in there, but there was a bunch of customers. Didn't quite feel right. Jeff got, what'd you get from there, Jeff? What's that back there?
Some square body fender patches and some 66 tail light lenses, and they're a pretty good deal.
Then Jeff talked me into going to Didsbury to take a look at a 1963 Chevy Shortbox Stepside, which we'll be doing right away here. We're about 11 minutes away from making a big mistake. So stay tuned, and we'll see if Jeff talks me into buying some junk.
Yeah, we can do that.
What's in here? 4R truck. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's got two of them.
Yeah, I thought I saw in the picture. I could see that one.
All right. Got a fetish for 1 tons, eh?
Yeah, I wouldn't buy one of those trucks.
Oh, yeah, you're running low on trucks. All right, so let's take a quick look here before the owner comes out. Looks like somebody else was here looking at it. Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
What's your YouTube channel?
Shortcut Garage.
Oh, nice.
And yours?
Sam's Trucks.
Sam's Trucks, eh?
Yeah. I'm Jeff. Sam. Yeah.
How you doing, Sam? I'm Ron.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
That's cool.
So what can you tell me about her?
Well, I came from Bonnieville.
Okay.
Bought it 3 weeks ago. I paid $3 grand for it, and then I paid $600 to get it shipped here.
Okay.
It's got cab corners, rockers, floor pans, a bunch of rockers back here, floor pans, rockers, and cab corners and all that are in there. It's got small block 400 underneath the hood.
Okay.
Turbo 350, and that's all sitting in there. It's not bolted down. Frame is straight. This is not bolted down either. That's why it's sitting kind of cockeyed.
Okay.
Wood's all rotted out for sure.
What wood?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it. And then the diff, the cover's sitting in here. It'll need to be cleaned out pretty good.
Rear diff's open, is it?
Yeah. And then we've got these here. There's an airbag kit in here.
An airbag kit.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that, eh? Dirty bugger. What were they doing in there? Any idea?
I don't have a clue.
Okay.
Yeah, my plan was to, and if it doesn't sell, I'm still gonna do it. It's just gonna be like a rat rod kind of thing. But I just bought this for my wife last night. So yeah, this needs to go. Edmonton. Yeah.
What?
It was for sale for like half an hour.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
What'd you pay for that?
5,200.
That's nice.
Yeah, it needs a bed floor and the other fender's toast. But yeah.
Over the windshield in these things, eh?
Yeah. So were you guys at
Here
Scott's
too.
or?
Yeah, we're up at Scott's.
Yeah.
He was building a Chevy and didn't want to retain for parts. Like,
Yeah.
the grill.
Nice. You guys
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Sweet. Yeah, I don't know because I drive them all the time.
Yeah, and it's nicer to just not worry about it.
Yeah. I saw a sticker the other day. It was shiny paint. And that motor is out of a cop car. It's a small block 400.
Do you know anything about the motor?
It runs.
Okay.
The guy that I bought it off said he had it running on it in his shop, and then he slid it in here. But that's all I know.
Is it bolted in?
No, it's just kind of. I think it's just sitting in the cradle.
See, there's my.
Oh, nice. That's beautiful. I love it.
So this is from the.
Did you? Is it 6 lug still?
Yeah, I kept 6 lug rotors on it,
Nice.
like disc brakes, but 6 lug.
Sweet. I love it. It looks great.
Yeah, so it's fun to drive around.
Yeah.
On it here and there.
Yeah. What engine is in it?
I got a 305 and a turbo 350 for a case of beer,
Nice.
and I wasn't gonna put it in there, and then I thought, why not? So
Yeah. Yeah, I like 305s. I have one sitting in the shop that I rebuilt last year. Yeah, that's a good. And it's the tractor. That's yeah. I'm coming swapping. I built a frame and suspension for that truck. And that body going on. I just got the 3D It looks shiny and nice from here, but it's toast. Yeah, it's toast. Shortcut village. Sweet. Good.
All right, so we struck the deal with Sam here of
Sam's Trucks.
Sam's Trucks, also on YouTube, so be sure to check them out. And yeah, so this one will be coming back to the shortcut in a couple weeks. Jeff said buy it.
Hey, it's a good deal.
It is a good deal. All right.
I don't know about that.
Oh, that's not good.
No, it's a good deal. Like it's, I just, it's a fair deal. I don't know what I'm saying. I mean, it's for a short box Stepside.
Yeah, it's got all the good stuff. It's a 63. It's my favorite of the 60 to 66.
It's just rusty.
It's short box. It's Stepside.
Yeah.
It's rusty.
It's ventilated.
It's ventilated.
Yeah, ventilated. Yeah.
We're gonna need to replace this panel and that panel because when we go to change the windshield, it's gonna fall out on us.
Yeah.
I think that'll be the biggest challenge, honestly. And the rest of it's just
Oh yeah.
Yeah. no problem. Nothing a trip to Scott's can't hurt.
No, that's a nice thing. Scott's has everything.
And there's a parts truck right here. We could probably
Hey.
oh, that's Sam's wife's truck. All right, we should get going. All right, thanks, Sam.
Yeah.
We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.